We're here in Holland, Michigan. We just got done with Tulip Time. Now we're gonna go through the city of Holland. Make sure that you come and check out Holland. It's always a hustle and bustle city in the summertime. There's lots of shops, lots of coffee shops.
Which is
So guys, we're here at Centennial Park, and if you guys do not want to pay the $15 to get into Island Park, this one has a ton of tulips and is very beautiful with the water fountain and a gazebo and lots of walking paths. So make sure that you come down, even if you do go to the island windmill, you come out here and check this out. It is a walk through the city. There's a bunch of vendors right now with the festival, but it is definitely a place to check out and very pretty. They have this koi pond with, I believe that's a Japanese maple tree. So definitely really cool. They got the rocks around the pond. And then, like I said, they have the gazebos to check out. Very nice walking paths, all cement, so handicap accessible, very easy access, parking all the way around, easy access to downtown. So guys, if you're down here, no matter if it's tulip time or not, there's definitely food there's like restaurants to glory. And then because it's tulip time, they have lots of street food. So make sure that you stop in and check out Holland. Hey guys, if you're close to Zeeland or Holland, make sure that you come to this restaurant for some amazing Mexican food. It is on the corner of Chicago Drive and 112th Avenue. Delicious food, and you gotta try dessert. Churros are the way to go. And after you spend time downtown at the Tulip Festival, or if you're down here after Tulip Festival, they have lots of other things going on in Holland. And down below, I will link the live cam, and make sure that you check them links out. And you gotta end the night here at the beach. Make sure that you have your state park pass. If not, you can get one here. So go walk out on the pier, go listen to the waves crashing, and safe travels, everyone.